It's about civil rights.
The political argument that same-sex marriage should be a civil right is deeply troubling to DamonOwens.
It just doesn't wash. It's one of those things that sounds good, but it's not good in sound. You scratch the surface and you realize there's nothing there.
As a committed advocate of social justice, Owens says America's great civil rights leaders offer valuable insight into this crucial issue.
I would go right back to the manifesto of the civil rights movement, Dr. Martin Luther King himself. When he wrote his letter in the Birmingham jail, Dr. King talked about a just law. And he says that a just law is a man-made code that squares with the moral law or the law of God. An unjust law is a code that is out of harmony with the moral law. To put it in terms of St. Thomas Aquinas, an unjust law is a human law that is not rooted in eternal and natural law. This is Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King speaking about what makes a law just and unjust, and when do we resist a law and when do we accept a law. A strong want or a strong desire doesn't make a civil right. Not all love is the same. There's a love that's between me and my daughters, my 6 little girls. Any of them, that love between them has an appropriate expression or many expressions. And that expression is very different than the love between me and my wife Melanie. And the way that that love is expressed is meant to either edify, meaning build up that love, or it will diminish it. But now in the, quote, naked public square, when we're in the world and we're taking this occasion, this same-sex attraction, and now trying to equate it with marriage, we need to recognize that for that kind of law to be just, in other words, to be right, it must then be squared with the natural law. Otherwise, we must resist it.